So you might be in a situation where for some reason on Instagram, some of the buttons are missing, meaning that maybe you're going through and looking at the buttons at the bottom, but some of these buttons that are at the bottom are actually missing. So maybe it's the repost button, the like button. The first thing to understand is that sometimes there's just random glitches and issues that happen within the application. So if you are in a situation where the buttons are missing, you might just have to close out of Instagram and reopen the Instagram application. So get into the Instagram app like this, close out of it, and then go through and open up the application. Sometimes that might end up fixing the problem for you, and that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation. So try doing that. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't do it, you can also try logging in and logging out of your Instagram application. So go through, find the Instagram app, try logging in and or logging out of that app. That can be another thing I'd recommend doing as well. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and try seeing if you can update your Instagram application. So jump right inside of your Instagram app like this, or your App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and go ahead and tap and type into Instagram. So just like this, type in Instagram. And then what you can do is you can try updating the Instagram application. Chances are that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. And that's another very easy basic thing that might end up fixing the problem for you. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.